This is a magnesium supplement, but it is magnesium glycinate, which is the only type of magnesium I personally take. There are lots of different kinds out there. They all have slightly different absorption. This is from Doctor's Recipes, and why this one stands out as a little bit different than other magnesium glycinates I've seen is that this is a smaller amount. This is a 100 milligram magnesium glycinate capsule. So if you're just starting out, this might be great to start with just to see how it affects your body, because everyone's going to be different, right? Now, magnesium glycinate is known for its great absorption. That's why I like magnesium glycinate over other forms of magnesium. Let's take a look at the capsule itself. Nothing crazy, not too small, not too big, really just a standard size supplement capsule that we're talking about here. If you want to get started taking magnesium glycinate, these capsules from Doctor's Recipes in the 100 milligram serving size, that's going to be a great intro to this great supplement.